Let's learn about Olaplex. Olaplex is a bond strengthening treatment, which means if your hair is weak or has breakages, then Olaplex is going to give your hair strength, making it strong and reduce the breakage. How is it different from a hair spa? Hair spa works on the outer layer of the hair, giving your hair nourishment, smoothness and shine, whereas Olaplex goes inside your hair, works on the cortex layer and gives your hair strength. If you have colored your hair using a pre-lightener, there are chances that your hair bonds may have gone weak. In that case, you have to do Olaplex initially for at least 3 months and then see whether you are good to go. Next time you hear someone say that their hair has been damaged by color, ask them, have you been doing Olaplex or hair spa regularly?